beautiful. Ow!
Good chicken. How about we listen to a little bit of music?
What the? How did you know? I love this song. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces past, and I'm homebound. Da-na-na-na-na-na, I need you, da-na-na-na-na-na, and I miss you, da-na-na-na-na. And now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight.
You are so... Bad chicken.
Bad chicken.
Do it again, do it again.
Good chicken.
Do it again.
I say good
Hey,
chicken?
record.
I say good chicken?
Yeah,
recording.
good
I
chicken.
say good chicken.
Where are you recording?
Yeah.
Good chicken.
Okay, do it again. Do it again.
Good chicken.
Do it again.
Good chicken.
Do it again.
Good chicken.
Do it again.
Why?
Just do it again. Just do it again.
How times?
No, because I just want to get a really good one.
No.
One more, last one.
Good chicken. That was not a girl voice.
Yeah.
Snicker.
No.
How about we listen?
Good. Eric, stop. Eric, pull your pants up. Okay, just keep snickering. Eric, shut
I
up.
am.
Eric, shut up. Shut up, Eric. Why are you so fake? Just snicker. Like,
Think of something funny and actually like laugh at how you
Lose it to hit Eric again.
Eric.
Ow! What was that for?
I'm sorry. The last one. One more?
No.
No, I'm talking about Zach.
No, not one more.
Okay, look at Eric and then sticker. Okay, go, ready?
My nose hurts. Freaking slap my nose.
Okay, go, ready? Wait,
As if I haven't done enough.
okay, one more. Last one.
I don't know.